Got the rig all packed up. 2017 JK. Got the Smittybilt awning up there. I need to upgrade that soon, but we also got the Osprey Slimline made by Outer Tents. It's a really good tent. It's a wedge style tent, low profile. We had a Smittybilt, or we still have it, but that thing was like a big old brick, you know, in the wind up there, like a big old VHS tape. So we're heading out. Got the Trasharoo. Everything's ready to go. Got a 35-inch Patagonias on here. Really good tires. People knock them a lot, but I love them. Got my Smittybilt winch. Only had to use it once, but got us out of some heavy snow. Worked pretty good. I've got my KC lights up there. Extra light bar. This thing does pretty good. Got Falcon shocks on there all the way around. 3-inch Terraflex lift. But yeah, let's go. Almost to the border of Arizona. Hoover Dam. Alright, so we're at Peach Springs. Just left the Hualapai Game and Fish, get our permit to go on the road. We're going to hit Diamond Creek Road now, all the way down to the Diamond Creek Beach, the Grand Canyon. Should be a good time. Got the family with me. Got everybody packed up, the dogs and everything. Let's head out. Alright, we're out here on Diamond Creek Road. Gonna air down the tires. Go down to 20, maybe 15 psi. Road's pretty bumpy. You don't need to air down, but I'm gonna air them down to make it a little softer for the ride. Oh, there's Sophia. Alright, let those air down. Alright, we're all aired down. Let's hit the trail.
My dress, I gotta go. I gotta get something to
You're going that way. Stay right here. There you are. Go. This is just the day use area. It's beautiful out here, Grand Canyon. Made it to Diamond Creek Beach. Colorado River's right there. Can bring the dogs by the water.
Tours on the boat. Down
All right, we got the camp right here on the Colorado River, Grand Canyon, Diamond Creek Beach, close to Peach Springs, Arizona. This place is awesome if you haven't been out here, but we got the tent all set up. It's the Osprey Slimline tent from Outer Tents. Wedge style tent set up. I got my Smittybilt awning here. Pretty much, you know, simple. Trasharoo here. Ladder goes on this side, but yeah, made it to camp. Nobody's here. Only people here at camp. Got the bathroom tent over there. There's Zazu, aka Gaze, German short hair pointer, just chilling out. Got my son over there by the river. Yeah, it's an awesome place. If you haven't been out here, or you're thinking about going, I suggest you get out here, you know, explore new places, and you know, especially a place like this, you know, that's beautiful, like the Grand Canyon.